Hello everyone, I'm Binda, an alumni of CMR University. I had been a part of the design thinking workshop and also won the Collaborative Spirit Award in COS 2022. So I was a part of the design thinking workshop, which was for the first time in CMR, and our batch was the first one to experience the design thinking day. So this design thinking day, our topic was waste management. So how waste management can be a solution to make your city better. So I had been a part of that topic and we did a solutions showcase as well. So for this we had won the Collaborative Spirit Award as well. Design thinking is something which plays a crucial role in our everyday life, and it shouldn't be taken as a process but as an everyday lifestyle that we are going through. We do event management, planning. It's a usual process in my daily life. So ideate, prototype, empathize, and execute. So I think COS 2025 is not just an event, but it's something more than problem solving. So this time the topic is solving the problems of the city. So I think when the students come up with ideas, it is not just their chat GPT or Google ideas. We are thinking beyond their creativity. So I think this can be something very impactful to the society. Maybe I'm excited to know what kind of problems they have faced in their cities and how they are going to come up with solutions.